everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So I'm just popping on to draw the winner for my 800 subscriber giveaway. I've had 11 entries into my giveaway, so can I just say a big thank you to everyone who entered, and also a thank you to my subscribers, new and old. Thank you ever so much for supporting my channel. So here we go. I am going to spin the wheel. Good luck, everyone. And the winner is Christine. So that's Christine at Christine's Cards and Things. Congratulations, Christine. So Christine, if you would email me with your address, and I can pop your prize into the post. Thank you ever so much to everyone who has entered, and yeah, that is it for today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.